are watching CIOTV by Enterprise IT World, a production of Accent Infomedia.
Hello and welcome to CIOTV and Enterprise IT World. Mia, we are at GITEX. This is day 3, and I don't see any respite in the enthusiasm of the exhibitors as well as the visitors to this exposition. Is by far the largest one, and probably this venue will host this massive expo for the last time in 2025. So at Enterprise IT Mia, we are trying our best to understand from the exhibitors and the partners, the customers also, about the trends and the technologies that is buzzing now. In that series, I have Mr. Ranjith Kaippada. He is MD for CloudBox Technologies. If you are not aware, CloudBox Technologies is one of the leading systems integrator in this region. Ranjit, thank you very much for taking time out and stepping into our booth and addressing the audience on the other side.
It's my pleasure to come over here and have a discussion with you. Looking forward to it.
Excellent and welcome. As from the CloudBox perspective, you are at the helms of the affair. What infrastructure and AI innovation are you showcasing in this expo to reinforce your role in the Middle East region as a kind of system integrator, leading system integrator?
As we know, the whole UAE, as such, the enterprise enterprise division of the country is moving towards the digital transformation. This country requires more talented, trusted AI-driven solutions.
Okay.
So we are trying to position ourselves in the center of these discussions to make sure we are there at the right place, and then proving our capability in making sure we are a trusted partner for enabling or fueling this digital transformation. Right now, since we are discussing this in the midst of this GITEX, we have a booth and we are showcasing the latest technologies of Dell. Along with that, we have the security operating center, which is a locally available in UAE, and we are coming up with cutting edge technology in AI, which is going to be a unique offering from CloudBox Technologies.
All right, you have been partnered to many of the leading vendors, be it Dell, Fortinet, so many. As far as the workload is concerned, today's days, GPU-intensive workloads reshaping the enterprise IT these days. How is CloudBox technology leveraging Dell, PowerScale, and other hardware to scale AI adoption across the region?
So AI is nothing but about giving the best performance. So the best performance is always coming from the processing capacity of the machines what you're using at the back, right? So if you look at, every component of Dell is coming up with an AI infused solution. So when it comes to the handling of large number of data, nothing like PowerScale, because of the massive capability of handling the data. And with this recent handshake with NVIDIA and Dell, they're trying to inbuild some features which will enable the processing time in a very quicker way, and it also enables to have a direct GPU connection with the system. So this will actually help the PowerScale to process the data at the quickest time, and this is giving more or better results for the people, for the customers who are using it. So it is not one PowerScale alone. If you look at any component, we have to make sure that we are using the right product, because there are so many servers and storage with AI claiming to be like an AI enabled. But then what isn't right for you? How do you choose that right AI product? What hardware is fitting into your environment? These are the things, these are the tasks which people like us, and certified or trained or capable system integrators like CloudBox Technologies will play a role in educating the customer, in educating the partners also, to make sure that they are going for the right product.
All right, you are also a major partner for Fortinet, and Forti SASE is one of the premium products globally and in your portfolio as well. How is your company CloudBox Technologies kind of helping organization reduce the risk and build smarter and more resilient secure architecture for the customers?
So once again, like when we think about AI, people will think that it is an automated way of working. The humans are actually losing the track; they are losing the job. Absolutely wrong. It's a wrong fact. The thing is, AI is only an enabler. Okay, I mean it is only helping you to make your job more efficient. It's not replacing your thing. So always a human element is required to actually monitor everything. So when it comes to security and the offerings of security, especially when we have a security operating center here in Dubai, okay, we have the strong vendor on our side, which is Fortinet. So we are using the latest technologies of Fortinet, like Forti SASEs and other stuff, in our SOC, so that we are making sure when we are delivering the services to the customer, we are delivering the right product, wherein the AI element is also taken into factor. At the same time, Forti SASEs and other technology tools of Fortinets and other prominent vendors are also embedded into our SOC. So when it being offered as a package to a customer, we are making sure this all are being delivered to the partner. By doing so, I mean what we are trying to do, we are trying to make sure the threat alert management system is improved, the threat detection is much more efficient, the instant recovery IR part is also taken care well, the repetitive alerts streamlined. All these are with the help of AI and having Fortinet at the back. So these are the offerings what people are getting or customers are getting from our SOC.
All right. Again, coming to part of your offering, that's Titanium Dell partnership and services include SOC, NOC, and MDR. Now, this entire GCC region has the mandate of aggressively ramping up as far as digital transformation is concerned. How, as a company, you are aligned with these solutions with the mandate of this region?
See, all these big vendors have a lot of R&D which is going at the back, and they're making sure they are partnering with the right people. Like for example, Dell joining with NVIDIA and building an AI factory. So this has been driven by the prominent vendors in the market. So when we have a partnership with these prominent vendors, that is enabling us, or that is actually increasing our confidence to take that solution, shape it up in a right way, and then deliver to the customer. So if you look at CloudBox, first of all, we are a tier 1 titanium partner for Dell. This itself is a confidence and the trust of vendor also, the trust for customers as well. That we are going to deliver a right solution. Okay, and then comes the other vendors also aligned with us. So we are trying to stitch the solution based out of the best practices of all these vendors, and then we are delivering this to customer. So with partnering with CloudBox, or with dealing with CloudBox, we are making sure we're covering the entire cycle of IT, starting from a server storage backup and other stuff, coming into the security part, wherein the SOC part is taken care, which includes the EDR, MDR facilities. Now to the third element, which is AI. So we are also building up a product of AI, which is going to be announced soon after GITEX. We are in the progress in the work to complete that as soon as possible. So it's a total offering, total complete solution which has been catered from CloudBox and backed up by the right vendors, trusted vendors, prominent vendors in the region. So nothing short of success when we talk about CloudBox.
Excellent, Ranjit. Now the customers are looking at, exactly not the customer, they are board members. The boardroom is looking at the ROI and the investment, technology investment. It is not that sake of technology adoption, people are doing technology adoption. Now, how as leading system integrator, CloudBox Technologies helping translate the client's investment, tech investment, in terms of result-oriented things like enhancing agility, efficiency, also risk reduction, risk management. How do you give them that path and justifying their investment in front of this board. CISO, in front of this board, including your CFO, the CEO, and board members.
So last year we were talking about the challenges around adopting the digital transformation. So few factors were actually awareness. Basically, people all talk about the technology, but then they don't know how to adopt that into their organization. Then comes the challenge of the ROI. What is the investment? How we are going to mitigate the risk of so much of investment. What are we going to get in return? So these are the fear factors they had in their mind last year. But I think people are mature. They are also learning on the go, and these tech shows are helping them to understand technology is a need now. If you don't embrace the technology now, you're far behind the race. So every company is understanding the need of AI in every department. But as in when we implement this technology AI, definitely there's a requirement for a high computing backend system. That is like you're talking about GPUs. Right now, the GPUs the most wanted thing in the market. So it is not cost effective at the moment because of the freshness. They just came into the market. There is a scarcity for that H100s, H200s in the market. So I'm sure, this will over a period of time will get materialized. I would say when Flash was coming, Flash was too expensive. Now we can see that Flash cost is coming down. At the same time, since AI and the workload is like huge, the data management is also very critical. So this is a need at the back end to have a GPU-enabled server or storage. So I suggest, from a CloudBox perspective, what we can inform the customer: don't blindly go with any GPU servers or any GPU storage kind of thing. Rather, there are customized boxes. Like Dell is coming up with a very unified box, which could be good enough for an SMB and a mid-market customer. For a larger customer, definitely they have to go for a GPU-enabled server kind of thing. But since with the partnership with NVIDIA shaping up well, I think there are new products getting released and new servers which is more redefined in a compact way, affordable for the customers. So again, it's the trusted advisors like us who can actually enable the customer what to go for and where to invest, making sure we are not wasting their money. We are making sure they're getting the ROI at the right time, right place, and at the same time they are going with the right vendor which is trustworthy and scalable in the future.
Excellent, Ranjit. Thank you very much for coming here, sitting alongside me and discussing about the future of this market, how CloudBox is aligned with the mandate of this region, this region. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. It's always a pleasure to always come to your stand. The way enterprise IT world is shaping up the tech landscape here and giving us a chance to have a very quality discussion on technology. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.